Hi, my name is Iezah Diyana. I was marketing intern and this is my intern diaries.
In this night of starry sky, my baby told me with a sigh, saying words that came across as a doubt. I reassured that every day.
My internship experience here was happy, memorable, and fantastic journey. One of the projects that I am most proud of was assisting in event that we held in Johor, which is PSCI at Siemens, as it was my first event experience in this internship journey. I gained valuable communication and design skill during my internship here because of I communicate with different people coming from different personality and professional background. The work environment here is quite fun and comfortable. The people around here is very nice and help with each other. What I enjoy the most is the opportunity to join the content shooting and also event involvement. A roller coaster journey because of my internship experience here involved both adjustment and also challenges.